first video. So today I'm traveling to a fort which is damn epic. It's just 15 km outside my city and it's just wonderful. So let's get going. See you there. So before going further, let's visit this historical place, which is also called as Chand Baba Ka Dargah. While returning from the Dargah, we met this gentleman, Abdul Ali, who knew Arabic and explained some ancient Arabic text to us.
ये जो है इन्नमा युरिदुल्लाह युज़िबा अन्कुम रिस्सा अहलल बैत व युताहिरकुम तत्हीरा, इसको आयत तत्हीर बोलते। ये प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद की जो उनकी मतलब आल थी, औलाद, उनके बारे में ही है। यानी
ओके,
अल्लाह बोला कि
यानी जो वर्ल्ड जो यूनिवर्स बनी है, अल्लाह ने भगवान ने क्रिएट किया है इस वर्ल्ड को, तो इनकी मोहब्बत में
ओके
ये पांच जो जैसे पांच ब्रह्मा हैं, इसी तरह ये पांच मोहम्मद, अली, फातिमा, हसन, हुसैन,
ओके,
इस तरीके से वो बताया गया उसमें।
ओके।
और ये जो है मोहब्बत अहले बैत व रसूल, मुहिब अहले बैत व रसूल मुहिब खान, ये जिसने वो किया है
बुनियाद है उसके उनके नाम
मुहिब अहले बैत, यानी ये पांच इनका जो है मोहब्बत करने वाला, उनका गुलाम, सर्वेंट, उसका नाम है। अब ये जो जिस इसमें लिखा हुआ है, ये खत्ते कूफी यानी पुरानी अरबिक कहलाती है।
ओके, तो अरेबिक और वो फारसी अलग है?
फारसी अलग है,
पर्शियन अलग है। ओके,
पर्शियन जब ये मुग़ल वगैरह यहाँ पे आए, उस वक्त वो लैंग्वेज
आई।
और आगे क्या है?
आगे
जिसमें अब्दुल
नहीं आगे ये कतबा अब्दुल कादिर हुसैनी, इसलिए ऐसा है।
और कुछ 22 कुछ सन भी पड़ा है।
अगर इसको सेफ रखते तो ये और अच्छी हालत में महफूज रहती थी।
अरे आग में इतने रहते तो क्या रखे।
So I'm standing at most amazing spot in Aurangabad. Just see this. So let's head towards that point. So from there I'll take some cool drone shots. So we are in a dense forest. Even Google Map can't show the location properly, and we are traveling to that location to just get that one perfect shot. And the struggle is real. Finally, worth a hike. Just see this view, guys. Just see this. That's H2O, and it goes to Aurangabad. Here are some bastions. This is the hidden boundary of Daulatabad. They used to say that it was 4 kilometers long, the boundary, and has some gates. So let's explore this.
See this one, okay?
Yeah.
This one is that sloppery view which you can see, that straight wall,
Okay.
okay? From there, the third means the last one, then the second one, and then the first one. This
Okay.
fortification walls. These are last one,
Yeah.
second.
Okay.
This is the valley which was filled with water and crocodiles
Okay.
for
Oh,
defense.
right,
okay,
right.
and then it starts. This is the last.
Okay. Can you point this? Can you point this?
Yeah, you can see that white car, and
Yeah.
exactly in front of that you will see a wall, that last remaining structure.
Right.
Buruj.
That one.
Yeah, that one. So that is the last.
I think
sorry,
there
first
there are
fortification.
actually
Yeah.
4 layers of fortification for this fort.
Yeah.
And this is called as Amber Coat. All
Yeah,
this
Amber
wall
Coat,
you
this-
can see
Yeah.
from here. It goes to this. This is the last boundary. So guys, this is Daulatabad from the back side. This is kind of unexplored place. I haven't seen a single picture or video of Daulatabad from this side. It's really amazing, man. So yesterday, due to rain, I missed taking the drone shot, and right now I am standing at this location. Just see this. So this is the exact backside of Daulatabad. So we'll try to go as close as we can. This is amazing. So it's really a flat surface on the fort. Oh my god. It's just pure beauty. I wish I had a GoPro to shoot this. It's a big man. So this used to be the defense of Daulatabad, right Ashish? See the kind of defense. They used to have snakes, crocodiles. So I'm almost at the last point of Daulatabad. So it's a temple. So this is the last location we will be visiting. कोणचं मंदिर म्हणाले?
रासई माता.
रासळी.
हाँ.
So this is रासळी माता मंदिर. So this is the passage to go there. Let's go. So this fort has a history of over 900 years. So this is history.
Start.
So we are done exploring the fort, and it took me like 2 days to explore. Like yesterday I was planning to shoot some drone videos, but the rain came and it all messed up. But today I took some really awesome videos. You will get to see Daulatabad you have never seen before. So enjoy the drone view and see you in the next video.